Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Tech Info channel. In today's video, the focus is on joining an Azure virtual machine via Microsoft Entra domain services. For those looking to set up a custom domain name and deploying Microsoft Entra domain services, the complete video link is in the description. Kindly check it out. Let's jump into the video now. So now first let's log into the Azure portal. So once I'm logged in, I'll click on virtual machines. Once I click on virtual machines, I'll create Azure virtual machine. So here the subscription is selected, and let me select my resource group and specify the virtual machine name. So I'll provide it as connector, and the region is Asia Pacific Central India. And availability options, this is for the lab environment, so I'll be selecting no infrastructure redundancy required. And image, let me select an image here. So let me select 2022 data center edition, and I'll leave the default options, and let me provide the username and the password to log in to the machine. Okay, I've provided the username and the password. Now I'll select a couple of ports, take an RDP, and I'll select the license. I have the licenses available. Next, the disks. So disk, I'll leave it as a default. And let me go to networking. In the networking, the virtual networking is selected. And regarding the subnet, I will create this machines in a different subnet. The default subnet has my, domain services. So I'm selecting the secondary subnet, which I've selected. And after that, I'll delete a public IP and NIC when the VM is deleted. Select that option and click on next management. So here, I don't need to select anything. Let me go to next monitoring. I'll disable the boot diagnostics and let me review and create now. So once it is validated, it'll ask me to create the machine. Let me go and create it. So for creating this virtual machine, it usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So let me stop this video. And once it is created, let's connect back again. Thank you. Now the mission has been successfully created. So once we click on the mission, we'll go ahead and take an RDP of this mission. Let's click on connect and download the RDP file. And let me launch that RDP file. Okay, let me type in my password. So I'm able to successfully log in to the created mission connector. Okay, I've logged in. So once I logged in, let me go ahead and click on local server here. And let me go ahead and click on worker group. So right now the mission is in the worker group. So we need to join this mission to the domain, which we created, the custom domain in Microsoft Entra domain services. Let's click on change and click on domain. The domain name which we created was kshmp.com. Now it's asking me for the username and password, the global administrator username and the password to connect to the domain. Let me give that username and the password. Okay, I clicked on OK. So it's waiting to join this machine to the domain. Yes, there you go. Welcome to the prakashmp.com domain. So the machine has been successfully joined to this domain now. So we need to restart this machine to take effect. And the machine will be joined to the main. Thank you.